What if you had a tool at your fingertips that tells you every 5 minutes whether Bitcoin is going up or down? And not some random guy on Telegram with signals for donations, but a real AI with neural networks, 15+ trading indicators, and real-time data from Binance. And most importantly, it's completely free. Today I'm showing you BTC Vision. Let's go. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe. I break down Rihanna working crypto tools. The button is below, won't take much time. So we go to the website. BTC Vision is an AI bot for predicting Bitcoin's price. It works based on data from Polymarket, the largest prediction market in crypto, where people bet real money on market movements. When thousands of people risk their money, that's not just opinion, it's a live sentiment indicator. On top of that, machine learning, Binance data, and a bunch of technical indicators. Right on the homepage, you'll see two options. Hourly predictions, no registration needed, just hit try free and use it. 5-minute predictions, and this is where it gets serious. Okay, first thing I want to say, there are no paid plans at all. Hourly predictions, open the site and you see them instantly. No registration. Want the 5-minute mode? Just connect your wallet. Trust Wallet or any other Web3 wallet. Click sign in, 2 clicks, and you're inside the app. No payment, no subscription, just wallet authorization. Like signing in with Google, but crypto style. Now we're inside. And this is where it gets serious. Click start. And the system begins working. What's happening under the hood? This part is actually interesting. First, it loads 200 historical candles from Binance. So the system immediately has context. It doesn't need to warm up. Shady light in walked, plus 100 5-minute candles to understand the overall trend. Second, 15+ trading strategies run simultaneously. VWAP, volume weighted average price used by institutions. EMA ribbon, when moving averages line up, the trend is confirmed. Mean reversion / Z-score and catches overbought and oversold conditions. Candlestick patterns, doji, hammer, engulfing, the system detects them in real time. Buyer versus seller pressure, real trade flow from Binance. And much more, a DX, Bollinger Bands, stochastic, support, and resistance. Third, 3 neural networks running in parallel. LSTM analyzes pattern sequences. Technical model learns from live results. Hybrid model and a combination of approaches. And the coolest part, the system adapts. If an indicator starts giving inaccurate signals, its weight decreases. Working strategies gain more influence. It's real-time self-learning. On the screen, you see prediction, confidence percentage, and market sentiment, fear and greed, whale activity, funding rate, BTC dominance. Let me summarize quickly. Completely free, not a single dollar. No registration needed for the basic mode. 5-minute mode, just connect your wallet. Real data, Binance, Polymarket, fear and greed in real time. 3 neural networks plus 15 indicators. This isn't guessing. Self-learning. The system improves over time. Simple interface. Click start and watch signals. In short, I recommend checking it out right now. Links are in the video description. Try it. Observe a few sessions, compare predictions with actual BTC movement. The results might surprise you. If the video was helpful, drop a like. It takes a second, but really helps the channel. Questions? Leave them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Until the next video, trade smart. See you.